Welcome to this dynasty. मैंने आप सब लोगों को inform किया था that my sister is gonna come on this channel and answer certain questions for me. So this is my sister.
Hi everyone.
I have been refraining from bringing my family in videos because of, obviously I'm very protective about my family, especially my sister. But this time we were home and she was interested answering questions. So हमने सोचा कि चलो ठीक है करते हैं इस बारी, let's do this and find out कि कैसा जाता है. So in my phone I have all the questions जो भी audiences ने पूछे हैं. कुछ generic है, कुछ मुझसे related है. So that will be fun. और आज इस वीडियो में मैं कम बोलूँगी, हमेशा मैं इतनी बड़बड़ करती हूँ. And my sister is gonna take the lead. ठीक है, तो let's start. हाँ जी, तो first question है how was she in her childhood?
Okay. So let me start. She being an eldest one, we think भाई हाँ mature होंगे and all, but no, she was the naughtiest out of 3. And मुझे तो बस ये याद है, everyone used to love her, adore her. मेरा था हाँ, I was the second child, तो I wasn't that much celebrated जितना दी थे, because obviously she was born after 5 years of marriage. So दी का काफी था, मतलब also she was when she was a child she was like damn cute. दी की photos भी इतनी अच्छे हैं and everything, and she was an adorable kid. तो मैं तो ये बोलूँगी हाँ, she was the naughtiest. अभी जो किससे पता चलते हैं मॉम एंड डैड से या फैमिली मेंबर से किसी से, everything is like just revolve around her. मेरे तो काफी कम होते हैं, दी के सारे होते हैं. तो she was the like among the most naughtiest person.
Next question है प्रिया रहेजा का. She is one of the fondest kid I have associated with me. I love her to the moon and back. She keeps responding me on Instagram as well, and she's very, very active there. I love her, really love her. So the question is, what are the things we should do to maintain our skincare?
Okay, so here I have to talk in generic, or I just have to talk about you?
Whatever you feel, whatever you feel.
Okay, so according to me, you need not to try everything. Like every clay mask is there and n number of masks are there in the market. You can just go with the CTM, which is cleansing, toning and moisturizing, and you can do the same routine twice a day and drink lot of water, green leafy vegetables, and that's it.
मेरी सिस्टर ही बेस्ट आंसर कर सकती है इसको, बिकॉज यू नो द स्किन और मैं कितना ही ध्यान रखती होंगी, बट शी एक्चुअली ट्राइज टू इम्पोज थिंग्स इन मी और मुझे सजेस्ट भी करती है बहुत सारी चीजें. सो रियली दिस इज द राइट क्वेश्चन टू आस्क हर. So next question is from Shiva Thapa. Shiva, thank you so much for your question. हमेशा ये लड़का इतना actively participate करता है मेरे हर एक छोटे छोटे moments में, and I'm so proud to have someone helping me there, being there as my support system. So इसका question है, actually first I thought I ask you how life would be when people go back to office. So what are your thoughts on that?
Okay, so again, in like both of us are working from home, so I have to say that we won't be liking it because we started loving it. We get home cooked meal and everything. So you all know that the struggle is real when you live alone and everything. You have to manage everything alone. So yeah, it won't be easy.
So next question is from Boomerang Twerks. Nice name by the way. Oh, what is the most weirdest and naughtiest thing your sister has done that you remember?
Just a thing? N number of things were there. N number of things. Okay, so let's start with that. I guess she was in second or third when you were friend with Krati.
Krati,
second, na?
HKG or first maybe.
Okay, HKG and first. So mom used to have like 3 and 4 lipsticks, and those were like expensive one at that time. So she was not there. Okay, my mom was not there. What she did is she took all the lipsticks and applied on her face like anything. इतना पूरा अच्छे से मेकअप किया है ना कि कुछ पूछो नहीं. उनको लिपस्टिक्स को पूरा उस दिन पूरा अच्छे से वो लिपस्टिक्स यूज हुई है, एंड देन वो मुझे दिखा भी रहे हैं कि हाउ एम आई लुकिंग. मुझे लगा दी ऑब्वियसली वो वियर्ड लग रहे थे, एंड ये सारा हो गया, मॉम आए, मॉम ने बोला ये क्या है? मॉम आई डिड माई मेकअप, मैंने अपना मेकअप किया है।
तो वो सारा ब्लश, लिपस्टिक,
जितना
फाउंडेशन
था,
सब उसी से ही हो गया था।
जितना
lipstick से।
फील उस टाइम आता था, शी डिड एवरीथिंग, पूरा प्रो हो गए थे।
और मैं मेकअप बिल्कुल नहीं करती, ठीक है, तो वो मेरे को पास्ट मेमोरीज बहुत हॉन्टिंग है मेरे लिए। So next question is from Glitter's World. Do you idolize your sister and how was your school life?
Okay, so let's start with the latter part, school life. So we both are Sophians. It was a Roman Catholic school, so we had to follow certain rules and regulations. We had to not blindly follow Christianity, but we were told about God and all, and we used to pray like that. So school life was good, and I was a good student, I would say, and she was better than me. And apart from studies, she was also a basketball player. She used to do everything, like studies also and sports also, and that is the reason she was very fond among her teachers, and she used to have a large group of friends also. So, and if you ask me if I idolize her, I used to idolize her at that time also, and now also. Priorities and things have changed, but still I idolize her.
Thank you. Next question, and I think this is the last one, is from Vanshi Gupta. Okay. दी, क्या आपकी सिस रियल लाइफ में भी इतनी क्यूट है?
She's talking about me, or she's talking about you?
She's talking
about me. Okay. Yes, I completely agree with you. In real life also, she is exactly the same. And I must say, when it comes to profession and all, she's strict, but still I would say not strict as much as I am, but she's very cute in everything.
हाँ जी, तो मैंने बोल दिया था ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, बट अ क्वेश्चन पॉप्ड अप फ्रॉम आवर वेरी ओन कैमरामैन, माय ब्रदर. सो द क्वेश्चन इज हाउ इज योर बॉन्ड, मतलब आप दोनों सिस्टर्स का बॉन्ड, टॉक अबाउट दैट.
Okay, so I think the question is intentional because he already knows about us. Anyway, so let's start with that. When we were young, when we were kids, we used to fight a lot. Oh God, we used to fight a lot, and parents used to say, "You are sisters, come on, don't do that." And we were like, "Please, ऐसा नहीं होगा," and all. And then now we are grown up, we are adult. Multiple things are happening in our life. So she is the one. She's the first person who I talk with, and she's the one who give me advices and all. So now the bond has improvised, maybe due to age or something. Now I understand, my sister loves me a lot. I used to think only my brother loves me, but now in my case, being the middle child, she loves me more than him. उनका अलग तरीके का प्यार है, इनका अलग है, but they both love me.
Yeah, and I was very protective about her as well. और लड़ाई तो यार obviously सब भाई बहनों पे होती है, तो
हमारी ज्यादा होती थी. Not to mention, not to forget, हमारी ज्यादा होती थी.
So that was it from us to you. Please give all your support and hoot for this video if you want my sister to be back on this channel. ठीक है, अब बाकी तो obviously it's her day today, तो मैं I'll allow her to speak. How was your experience?
Thank you so much. Thanks for inviting me. And if you want to see more of my sibling and more videos, such videos, please do like, share and comment, and we would love to hear from you, from all of you.
Instagram ID भी नीचे दी हुई है. Please go follow us on Instagram
Yes,
as well.
please do follow her. She is fond of making such videos, so do support her. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Stay late.
Okay.
Stay late.
Stay late.